Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be priming my eyes with the Crayon Case Eye Glue, which is an eye primer. And I'm just going to add that all over my lid and I'll blend that out. You don't need very much of this primer, so I'm just using about that amount. Going into the Watch Me Blush palette, I'm going to be using this first shade called Cobbler. Then I'm going to deepen up it a little bit and I'm going to use this brown shade called Hot Cocoa. And then going in with the next shade called Berries and adding that all over my lid. So I'm just using this glitter liner, it's a gold liner, and I'm just going to line my bottom lash line as well as my crease. And I'm using a new brand of lashes today, and these are the Koutored lashes, and these are in the style Klutch. These are 25mm lashes, and currently they do have a sale going on. These are $14 on sale, and these lashes are absolutely gorgeous. I also have one of their lash applicators as well, and it is a gold applicator, and it also has the name embossed on it as well. Super duper cute. Be sure to check them out as well. And to prime my face, I'm going to use my Touch and Soul No Pore Blend Primer. And for foundation, I'm using my CoverGirl foundation in the shade D40. For concealer, I'm using my MAC 24 Hour Wear Concealer in NC45. To set my inner eye, I am using my Beauty Bakerie Flower Setting Powder in the shade Yellow. Just using that to set under my eyes, and this packaging is really small. The one that I have is a little bit bigger and I had it for quite a while. But I got this during the 21 Days of Beauty sale from Ulta. And I'm going back into the Watch Me Blush palette and I'm going to use this blue shimmer shade on my bottom lash line. And here is an oldie but goodie. I'm going to set the rest of my face using my Colourpop setting powder in the shade Medium Deep. And still diving into this Watch Me Blush palette, I'm going to use this orange shade called Tangerine as a blush. I love this palette. It is so versatile. You can do an eye look, you can bronze, blush, contour, everything. So for highlighter, I am using the Crayon Case Honor Roll highlighter, and as you can see, I already set my face. And for lips, I'm using the Ellarie in Colourpop liquid lipstick in the shade Sessy, and that is it. That is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next